An RL series circuit has R5 and L.01H. It is fed by AC 50 Hz supply. The RMS current in the circuit is 5A. The active power supplied by the source is A 25 watts, B 50 watts, C 125 watts, D 250 watts. The correct answer is 125 watts. A particular current is made up of two components, 10 a DC and sinusoidal current of peak value 14.14A. The average of resultant current is A0, B 24.14A, C 10A, D 14.14A. The correct answer is 10A. In figure, the switch is closed at T0. After some time I6A and rate of change of current was 4 A. The value of inductor is A1H, B1.5H, C indeterminate, D 0.5H. The correct answer is 0.5H. An RL impedance function can also be realized as a RC impedance function, B RC admittance function, C LC impedance function, D LC admittance function. The correct answer is RC admittance function. A step voltages is applied to RLC series circuit having R2L1H and C1 floor. The transient current response will be A overdamped, B critically damped, C underdamped, D any of the above depending the magnitude of voltage. The correct answer is critically damped. Class C solid insulators should not be used above 100 C. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is false. The current through a 1 mH inductance is IT 2.56 x 10⁴ x 10⁵ for 2t20 sec. The voltage across the inductor is A4, B8, C0, D8 x 10⁵. The correct answer is 4. Insulation resistance of a cable is directly proportional to its length. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is false. For a series RLC circuit, bandwidth is 2 1R2L. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is false. If the network has a 1H inductor and 1 floor capacitor in parallel, B 1H inductor and 1 floor capacitor in series, C 1H inductor and 1 resistor in series, D 1H inductor and 1 resistor in parallel. The correct answer is 1H inductor and 1 floor capacitor in series. In figure, the voltage V140V. The source voltage V2 is A8J8 volts, B4J4 volts, C8J4 volts, D8J16 volts. The correct answer is 8J4 volts. A capacitor whose capacitance Ct C01-cos is fed by a sinusoidal voltage VV0 Cent. The equation for current I is AC0V0 cos BC0V0 Cent, CC0V0 cos 2t, D none of the above. The correct answer is C0V0 cos 2t. Figure shows an RC circuit. The magnitude plot V2 V1. A will rise exponentially to R2 R1 R2 as. B will rise linearly to R2 R1 R2 as. C will decrease to 0 as. D will rise 1 at 0 and then decrease as. The correct answer is will rise exponentially to R2 R1 R2 as. A 2-branch parallel circuit has a 10 resistance and 0.5 H inductance in one branch and a 100 floor capacitor in the second branch. It is fed from 100 V AC supply. At resonance the source current is A10A, B1A, C0.2A, D0.05A. The correct answer is 0.2A. In figure A is ideal ammeter having zero resistance. It will read ampere. A2, B2.5, C3, D4. The correct answer is 3. Threshold of perception occurs at a current of about 1 mA. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. The current wave shown in figure is applied by a 0.1 F capacitor at T0. At T0 the voltage across capacitor is A0, B4V, C10V, D20V. The correct answer is 0. A current increasing at the rate of 1 AS is passed through one floor capacitor. At T0 I0. The charge stored after 1 second is A0.5C, B1C, C2C, D4C. The correct answer is 2C. An RLC series circuit has R30 XL30 and XC30 watts. Its impedance is A30 B3045, C42.4245, D9045. The correct answer is 30. RL and C are in parallel. The circuit is switched on to a constant current source I at T0. At T the current through inductance is I. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. A 2 mH inductor with some initial current can be represented as shown below, where S is the Laplace transform variable. The value of initial current is A0.5A, B1.0A, C2.0A, D0.0A. The correct answer is 0.5A. As temperature increases, the temperature coefficient of metals increases. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is false. In a three-phase system, the zero sequence component of line-to-line voltages is 0. A if line-to-line voltages are balanced. B if line-to-line voltages are unbalanced. C if line-to-line voltages are balanced or unbalanced. D if degree of unbalanced in line-to-line voltages is small. The correct answer is if line-to-line voltages are balanced or unbalanced. Magnetic effect of current is used in generators but not in motors. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is false. For a nonlinear resistance, a VI plot is not a straight line. B resistance increases as current increases. C resistance decreases as current increases. D current decreases as voltage increases. The correct answer is VI plot is not a straight line. The Z parameters Z11 and Z21 for the two-port network in the figure. AZ 11th June 2011 Z21 1611. BZ 11th June 2011 Z 21st April 2011. CZ 11th June 2011 Z 21 1611. DZ 11th April 2011 Z 21st April 2011. The correct answer is Z 11th June 2011 Z 21 1611. For the wave shown in figure, the average value is A 7.07A, B 5A, C 2.5A, D 0.5A. The correct answer is 5A. In the figure circuit V140V, when R is 10, when R is 0 the value of V2 will be A 40V, B 30V, C 20V, D 10V. The correct answer is 40V. The Thevenin resistance of the circuit is A 94.7K, B 54.7K, C 754K, D 0. The correct answer is 54.7K. In the circuit shown in the given figure, RL will absorb maximum power when its value is A 2.75, B 7.5, C 25, D 27. The correct answer is 25. In an RC series circuit excited by DC voltage E, the current at T0 is AER, BEC, C0, D infinity. The correct answer is ER. The current through a 10 resistance in a DC circuit having 2 imp sources is 3A. If this resistance is changed to 20, the new value of current will be A less than 3A, B equal or less than 3A, C equal to or less or more than 3A, D 1.5A. The correct answer is less than 3A. A planar graph has 6 nodes and 7 branches. The number of meshes in the dual graph is A2, B3, C4, D6. The correct answer is 2. An AC voltage 20 sin 1000 T feeds an RC series circuit. R8 and active power is 4 watts. The power factor is A1, B 0.8, C 0.6, D 0.4. The correct answer is 0.4. For a sine wave, the average value is calculated over half the cycle. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. 2 resistances of 2 each are connected in series. A shunt having 0 resistance is connected across the combination. The overall resistance will be A4, B1, C 0.5, D 0. The correct answer is 0. The poles and zeros of a positive real function A may lie anywhere in S-plane. B may have positive or negative real part. C must occur in conjugate pair. D must have either negative or zero real part. The correct answer is must have either negative or zero real part. In a linear circuit, the superposition principle can be applied to calculate the A voltage and power, B voltage and current, C current and power, D voltage, current and power. The correct answer is voltage and current. If A715 A2 is A49 225, B49 30, C49 15, D49 7.5. The correct answer is 49 30. The color coding of a resistors shows 100K10. When the resistance was measured with an ohmmeter, it read A 95K, B 80K, C 120K, D 85K. The correct answer is 95K. The output voltage of a charger is A less than battery voltage, B same as battery voltage, C more than battery voltage, D same or more than battery voltage. The correct answer is more than battery voltage. The circuit in figure has reached steady values with switch open. If switch is closed at T0, the voltage across two-floor capacitance at T0 is A0, B4V, C6V, D10V. The correct answer is 0.